Millions of Americans suffer from joint pain, making it difficult to do the simplest of tasks, even like walking across a room or even typing on the computer. So joining me today to show you ways to diminish pain caused by joint issues is Dr. David Katz.
True.
Welcome, my friend.
Good to be here. Good to be here. Yeah, absolutely true. We depend on our joints for all of our movements. And Drew, this is how a healthy joint works. It's lined by a membrane, the synovium. The synovium produces fluid that lubricates the joint. And that and the cartilage really reduce the friction, keep everything working smoothly. Bone doesn't grind against bone.
I want to show you, these are obviously your hand, and each one of your fingers has a specialized joint between these small bones in your fingers. And you can see that in a healthy joint, they are padded, they are cushioned by cartilage. So it's normal to have nice, healthy, vibrant cartilage in between your joints. What happens once you lose that cartilage due to injury or wear and tear? You get this appearance. What is this? Well, this is arthritis. This is inflammation. You can see you've lost the cartilage. Bone is on bone, grinding on itself, causing that inflammatory reaction.
Absolutely. And the good news, of course, is that almost no matter what's causing joint pain, there is effective treatment available. Right.
And, here's a couple of tips that may help. Starting number one, brew yourself a cup of loose leaf green tea. It contains polyphenols that may actually help with inflammation and swelling and protect that cartilage that I alluded to between those bones and slow down that process of joint degeneration. If you don't want something hot, you prefer something cool, how about trying a glass of pomegranate juice? The antioxidants in pomegranate fruit may decrease joint tenderness and reduce inflammation. Applying something cold directly to the affected area can also have benefits. We know the cold helps joints in two ways. It reduces blood flow, which numbs the area. It actually helps with the pain. And cold also helps to ease that phase of inflammation and swelling. Alternatively, heating pads or warm baths increase blood flow, which increases flexibility, improves joint range, giving you full range of motion. And what you can do, you may want to alternate between those hot and cold therapies. Do that 15 to 20 minutes a few times each day.
I think another natural approach is staying active. You basically want to use it or you lose the function of a joint. So staying active is important. Another thing I like a lot is a very well-chosen nutritional supplement. The benefits of foods can be concentrated in capsules, and I like Beneflex. It's a product where you use different natural ingredients to reduce inflammation, to treat the pain, and to support the cartilage that's so crucial. I love the combination of 4 ingredients, Drew, one of which is a patented form of collagen to actually support the construction of that critical cartilage in the joint. And the different ingredients work in different ways to reduce inflammation, treat pain, preserve the structure of the joint. And I also like the fact that this was formulated in a way to reduce allergens, so people who are sensitive to shellfish can take it, people with gluten sensitivity can take it.
Once you start using the product, how much time do you have to give it before you're going to see some improvement?
Generally, people will see in as little as a week. And then the effects continue over time because unlike something, Drew, that you would take just to treat pain, medication, this is actually supporting the structures in the joint, so the benefits actually accumulate over time.
Well, be sure to talk to your doctor if your pain is accompanied by redness, tenderness, or warmth around the joint. Or if it's caused by an injury, inability to use the joint, you have intense pain or sudden swelling, make sure to talk to your doctor. And Dr. Katz, good stuff.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
And thanks for showing us ways to ease down the road a little bit better. You can visit thedoctorstv.com for additional information.